Welcome to the unboxing of the Easby Telit Charlie IoT Innovation Kit. Inside the box, you'll find the Charlie board itself. You'll find a battery. This has been pre-charged for you. You'll find a high-performance cellular antenna. You'll find another high-performance cellular antenna. You'll find a USB cable. You'll find some business cards. These contain important information regarding the contacts you can use at Easby and Telit. And you'll find the headers that can be used in order to connect to Arduino-compatible maker shields. Let's look at the Charlie board itself. The board features one of our LPWA ME310 G1WW modules. This supports NB-IoT, Category M1 and 2G technology. We have a USB interface. This connects directly to the native USB port of the ME310 and can enumerate under Windows. We have a GNSS antenna. This interfaces directly to the GNSS function built into the ME310 module. We have a battery connector. We have another USB port. This is used to interface to the Arduino processor on the reverse of the PCB. The processor is being pointed out here. We have a SIM holder. This has been pre-populated with a Telit SIM card ready for use. And we have some Bosch SensorTech MEMS sensors.